Well, Miami's city manager is on the hot seat today at a commission meeting.
Plus, the city attorney ousted. Local 10's Christina Vasquez is live from City Hall with it all. Christina.
Commissioners have decided to strip the city attorney of that title. She will remain as staff until June 11th, when she was already scheduled to depart. This, as the city manager told commissioners he was trying to set the record straight.
It looks bad. It looks real bad.
City manager Art Noriega on the agenda and in the hot seat.
There was never any malfeasance here.
His performance is not what's at question here. It's his judgment.
At issue with Noriega, the city buying furniture from his wife's company.
They had already been a vendor for 7+ years before we even married. They had a pre-existing relationship with the city.
Back in 2020, Noriega says he flagged this for the city in a disclosure of relationship with city vendor and recusal memo.
So where's the beef with that? The optics don't look good.
I did things the way I thought were the guidelines by which I had to adhere to. But in the end, is there a way to do it better? Yes, there is.
His recommendation moving forward
manager,
beyond
I
a memo
recognize the
flagging potential conflicts as a commission discussion item and sending to Miami-Dade Commission on Ethics and Public Trust for an opinion. From that discussion item to this.
City attorney would cease to be the city attorney.
When it comes to the city attorney, she was already on her way out, you may remember. But a Commissioner Damian Pardo-sponsored resolution calls for the appointment of John Greco as interim city attorney until a permanent city attorney is appointed.
You're upset at me
because you interfered in an
you're
election.
Upset at me
You
for doing my
interfered
job
in my
pursuant to
opinion.
the charter.
I think we've got to turn the page in the city of Miami.
Okay, so once again, an amended version of that resolution passed. So she will stay on as staff during what they're calling a transitional period through June 11th, which from what we understand is the date she was already scheduled to depart the city of Miami. And when it comes to those emotional moments of bickering across the dais where you have different commissioners speaking over one another, the chairwoman today put her foot down on that. She says she's quite frankly sick of it, and she has asked the city clerk to provide all of them training to bring back decorum to the dais. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.
Never a dull day at Miami City Hall. Thanks a lot. Today